In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert text to a PDF on mobile. So what you need to do is open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on if you're on iPhone or Android. Then go and search for Docs, and we're going to use Google Docs to do this. So search for Docs, and then you'll see here Google Docs. Go ahead and download it if you haven't already. Then you can open it, and from here we can go ahead and create a document. Click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner, then go New Document. Then you can give this document a name. I'm going to call it PDF. Then we can click on Create. From here, you can go ahead and start typing. But if you wanted to paste in some text that you've already got copied, hold down on the screen, then click Paste. Now, once you've got your text in the document, you can customize this and format this however you want. And if you're happy with it, click on the tick in the top left. Now what we'll do is click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Then we'll click on Share and Export. Then you can go ahead and click on Print, and it's then going to open up the printing window. Now, we don't have any printer available, which is fine. We want to click on this share icon in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, it will bring this window open. You can then click Save to Files. From here, you can see we are now saving it as a .pdf file. So you can go ahead and save this wherever you want on your phone. You'll then find it in your files. So here you can see that we have the pdf.pdf file just in the files on my iPhone. So that's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.